Welcome students again to our classes. I am from Atpur High School. 1064 is the code of our institution. A teacher of English. So last class, hopefully I ended with the critical appreciation of Leo Tolstoy's 3 questions. Today I am going to give you some of the important questions as well as probably an answer of one of them, which hopefully may be coming in examinations. So take down, and one thing I would like to tell you, after watching my video, you must leave a comment whether you are facing any problem or not, at least, so that it would be convenient for me to get back to you. So if one of you getting in any trouble, please leave the comment inside the comment box. So first question, take down, what are the 3 important questions? What are the 3 important questions? How was the Tsar answered? First question, what are the 3 important questions? This would be of 1 marks, okay? And how was the Tsar answered? Of course, this would be of 3 or 4 or the rest of the marks. You know the question pattern. This should be the bigger. Second question, जो द्वितीय प्रश्न है वो बड़ा होगा, तृतीय प्रश्नटा बड़ो होबे मार्क्सटा. टेक केयर ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which rational understanding you have got from the story? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. सबसे बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सवाल है आप लोगों के लिए. तो তাদের জন্য খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চেন, which rational understanding की कौन सा जरूरी तथ्य या की दरकारी तथ्य यू हैव गॉट फ्रॉम द स्टोरी, तुम्हें पाচ্ছ এই গল্প থেকে, तुमको मिल रहा है स्टोरी से. which particular rational understanding? You know, so far as the rational thing is concerned, I'd like to tell you that rationality means a person's behavior where you are having some sense. You know, there are that is called, rationality means reality, practical things, along with the rational understanding or logical sense. When a work is being done with logical sense is called rational understanding. So here, of course, regarding rational understanding, you have got one thing clear, that from the Tsar's point of view and of course from the hermit's point of view, they both were rational, but from the previously, the Tsar was not at all rational, but consequently he got rationality in him, right? So you can go through the question, very important question, it would be a broad question. Next question, how was the enmity between the Tsar and the bearded man was finished? Very important question. How was the enmity between the Tsar and the bearded man was finished? This question might be coming in examination. Very easy question, a common question. So I suggest you to read out the story, whole story, and it would be very easy for you to go through the story. I think a very easy question. Okay, how was the enmity between the Tsar and the bearded man was finished? And the last question is, comment on the ending of the story. This is quite same with the 3. Comment on the ending. Comment on the ending. If you are asking such a question on the ending, so if you want to take my suggestion, I would give you an answer in writing in next class. But today I would like to give a brief on the comment on the ending of the story. Please take down if you are interested in anybody, or take a recording. In next class I will give you in writing, right? Comment on the ending of the story. Right. 3 question is a story not only of a Tsar's question, but in reality it is expressing the fact that we, the common people, deal with every day. Full stop. Certainly, A Tsar came to know, in fact, a Tsar wanted to know the questions which were haunting him. Quite naturally, he was looking for the answers of his questions, but he did not get it from anywhere. Again, he came to know from someone that there was a wise person, a hermit, who could have some reasonable answers of his questions, or who were who might be able to answer his question. Next para, change the paragraph. As soon as the Tsar came to know about the hermit, he went immediately to the hermit in his very common people like dress and attended the hermit. Full stop. After going there, he asked the hermit to answer his question, but the hermit, without any reply, continued his work. Full stop. In the meantime, both of them saw a bearded man coming out of the jungle who was bleeding profusely then. Seeing the man, both the Tsar and the hermit started saving his life by bandaging and rebandaging in wounds. He was bleeding from his stomach. The Tsar, with the help of the hermit's towel and the man's shirt, tried to revive his life, tried to help him as much as possible. In this way, after a long hurdle, the life of the man was somehow saved. But the man fell asleep in the couch of the hermit, and beside him, the Tsar also fell asleep because of his day's hard work. When the Tsar woke up, he saw that the bearded man was looking at him. Full stop. The Tsar asked him the reason of his such an enquiry. Full stop. The bearded man replied that he had been on his way to kill the Tsar because the Tsar had seized his property and executed his brother. But in return, the Tsar and the hermit saved his life. So the bearded man, was feeling sorry for his such a work. Coming to know such an enmity between them, the Tsar was surprised and realized that it was the situation for which he was able to save his life, and the enmity between them turned into a friendship. Para change. Thus, after having a discussion, it has come into light that the Tsar and the bearded man had an enmity which had been brought up into the heart of the bearded man, full stop, with an intention of revenge. He wanted to kill the Tsar, but the situation suddenly turned in this way that the bearded man was in such a situation in which the Tsar became as his Messiah. Full stop. Messiah means a man who saves one's life. एकजन जो का जीवन बचाए, जो किसी और का जीवन बचाता है, उसको हम लोग मैसैया कहते हैं. Full stop. In this way, Tolstoy's representation has become much valuable because, on one hand, when a man with his utmost anger was trying to kill his enemy, suddenly fell into a situation from where he was saved by that man himself whom he was going to kill. Thus, here we, the reader, have come to know that the enmity between them suddenly turned into a friendship because of the situation. Not only the Tsar got the answers of his questions, but also he came to realize the importance of relationship. Full stop. So here the questions have been answered. प्रश्न का उत्तर यहाँ पर हो रहा है. But in this regard, let me tell you one thing. I have compared to 3 and 4. Hopefully, I have already covered two of the questions. If you are wishing to give the answers, you are just allowed to write on the comment box. Go through that, and because of some next 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 4 questions. If you are wishing to give another question, so please write down in the comment box. If you wish to know any other problems or any other related matters, you can write in the comment box. Next day I will give you some answers in writing, and hopefully from the other classes or the day after tomorrow or maybe other days, I will start with another text. If before that, I just like to tell you one thing, that go through the questions whichever I have given you and I am giving you, and if you go through the question, if you are facing in the problem, try to give us a comment and keep in touch with me, and I'll help you. So today's class till here. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Be at home. Save the lives. Okay. Please share your comments so that I will be able to help you at all. Take care. Goodbye.